Yes, Nayani, please tell me. If you want to define quadrilateral, how can we define? You don't know, beta? Nayani, please give me answer. Nayani, Nayani, partner gaming. No problem. Rehan, Qureshi Rehan, where are you? Yes, Rehan. Hello. Hello. Abdullah. Abdullah. Boys, why are you not giving me answer? If you don't know, simply say it, sir, I don't know. So I'm asking to other student. We are wasting our time with this. Hello. Abdullah. Abdullah, Rehan, and Nayani. Asad Raza.
Yes,
Asad
sir.
Raza. Yes, beta. What is the meaning of quadrilateral? We are doing revision of chapter number 3, understanding a quadrilateral. So I am asking you some questions regarding to this chapter and please give me answer about this. Okay? So Abdullah, tell me what is the meaning of quadrilateral?
Uh, sir, I don't know.
Okay, beta. Now I am telling you quadrilateral is a closed figure with four vertices. Okay? What is the definition of quadrilateral? Quadrilateral is a closed figure with four vertices. Okay, please remember this definition. Now, other thing about this chapter. You know very well, we are already do this table. Please remember this table because of in this table the classification of polygon is given. If you have three vertices, it is triangle. If you have four vertices, it is quadrilateral. If you have five vertices, it is pentagon. And if you have six vertices, it is hexagon. If you have seven vertices, it is heptagon. And if you have eight vertices, it is octagon. If you have nine vertices, it is nonagon. And if you have 10 vertices, it is decagon. And if you have number of vertices, it is n-gon. Okay, so please remember this table because of we have to use this table in this chapter. Now, diagonal. Yes, Asad Abbas. Asad Abbas, Asad Raja Sarani, Asad Raza Sarani. Who give me answer? What is the meaning of diagonal? How can we define any side as diagonal? Tell me. Okay, just I am telling you, please listen. If you join, if you join two non-consecutive vertices, it is made a diagonal. What I am saying, please see in a figure here. A line segment connecting two non-consecutive vertices of a polygon, it is known as diagonal. Please remember this thing because of I am asking you the definition also in our short question, 1 mark short question. The definition of quadrilateral, definition of diagonal, definition of hypotenuse, definition of parallelogram, definition of square, rectangle, rhombus, kite, trapezium, etc. Okay, so please remember this all the thing. Now, who tell me convex and concave? What is the difference between convex and concave polygon? Who tell me? Nurani? Nurani?
Yes, sir.
Yes, beta. Tell me what is the difference between concave polygon and convex polygon? If you don't know, please tell me, sir. I don't know. So I'm asking to other
I
students.
don't know.
Okay. Virani, Virani, Murtuza Virani. Huh? Okay. Mohammed Abbas. Mohammed Abbas.
Yes, sir.
Beta, please differentiate between concave polygon and convex polygon.
Sir, in concave polygon, uh, we can make diagonals inside, and in convex polygon, we can make diagonals in exterior.
No, beta. It is true, but not it is exact definition. If you want to give exact definition, please see in a figure. In a convex polygon, the diagonal of a polygon intersect. But in a concave polygon, the diagonal of a polygon are not intersect. Simple, I am giving you here example. Please see. We are drawing two diagrams. For example, in this figure, it is two diagonal and both the diagonals are intersect at one point. So it is convex. Okay. Now please see here in a concave polygon. Here there are five vertices, right? Okay, sorry. In first figure, there are four vertices. So if you want to draw the diagonal, first diagonal is this, and it is your second diagonal. It means if the diagonal intersect at a one point, so it is convex polygon. And if diagonal are not intersect, it is concave polygon. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so please remember this concept, right? Okay, and then after regular and irregular polygon. Now, who tell me what is the meaning of regular and irregular polygon?
Sir, can I say?
1 minute, we are giving chance to other student, and then after, please, Mohammed Abbas, you can speak.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Abdullah Ali Naki Keshwani, Ali Naki, Ali Naki, Ali Naki, Asad Raza. Okay, Mohammed Abbas, tell me.
Sir, in regular polygons, all the angles and sides are equal, and in irregular polygons, uh, none of the angle and sides are equal.
Very good, beta. Excellent. If in a polygon all the sides and all the angles are equal, it is a regular polygon. Otherwise, it is irregular. For example, you can see there is the two different example of regular polygon in which the first figure is of equilateral triangle. In an equilateral triangle, all three sides are equal and all three angles are equal. Same as equilateral triangle, quadrilateral have one figure, it is known as square. And in a square, all the sides and all the angles are equal. So it is known as a regular polygon. Otherwise, you can see these two figure are not regular, means it is irregular. Why? Because of in a triangle, one angle is 90-degree given, and you know very well the angle sum of the triangle is 180-degree. So the rest of the two angle having complementary means the sum of these two angle is 90-degree. It means these three angles are not equal in measurement. So it is irregular. And same thing for rectangle. In a rectangle, all the angles are equal, but all the sides are not equal. So it is irregular. Are you get it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, boys. Now we are going to solve this exercise. Okay. Now again one theory topic, angle sum property of a triangle. Okay, what is the meaning of angle sum property? We know that the angle sum of a triangle is 180-degree. Okay, the sum of three angles of a triangle is 180-degree. So if you have any polygon, what we have to do, first of all we divide this polygon in a in a triangle, and then after we find the total angle of a polygon. Okay, for example I am giving you a pentagon is given. Pentagon, see in a live bond. Okay, it is pentagon. Okay, for example if you want to find the angle sum of a pentagon, what we have to do, we are dividing this pentagon in a triangle with the help of diagonal. For example, I am giving you number 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the definition of diagonal? We have to join non-consecutive point. So for 1, 2 and 5 are consecutive. 3 and 4 are not consecutive. So we are joining this 1 4 and 1 3. Now you can see we get three different triangle. First triangle, second triangle, third triangle. So if you want to find the angle sum of a pentagon is equal to three angle sum of triangle. Yes or no? Because we are divide pentagon in a three equal triangle. So three angle sum of triangle. And we know very well angle sum of a triangle is 180 degrees. So 3 into 180. So what is your answer? 540 degree. The angle sum of pentagon.
Pentagon.
Are you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So on the basis of this, we are solving exercise 3.1. Okay. and you know very well this all the thing. You can see this question number 4. Examine the table. Each figure is divided into triangle and the sum of the angles deduced from that. So for first figure is given for a triangle. So in triangle, angle sum is 180 degree. In a quadrilateral, we are dividing this quadrilateral in a two triangle. It means 2 into 180, it is 360 degree. And then pentagon. In pentagon, we are dividing this triangle in a three part. So 3 into angle sum of a triangle 180 degree. So 3 into 180, 540 degree. And then after in a hexagon, we are dividing hexagon in a 4 triangle with the help of diagonal. So we get 4 into 180, 720 degree. Are you get it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you can see question number 5. What is a regular polygon? State the name of a regular polygon. Of 3 sides, of 4 sides, and 6 sides. Just give me answer.
Three side equilateral triangle, four side square, and six sides a regular hexagon.
Very good. For a 3 side, it is equilateral triangle. For 4 side, it is square, and for 6 side, it is regular hexagon. Very good. Okay, and then after we are solving some questions regarding to the angle sum of a quadrilateral. Okay, here in first question 50, 130 and 120 is given, and we know that angle sum of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So we are subtracting this three angle from 360 and we get the value of x. Okay, same thing in question number B. C and D are different because of in these two question here given that given figure is pentagon. Okay, in which it is given that the exterior angle 60 and 70. So first of all, we are taking interior angle from it. So 60, interior angle of 60 is 120 degree because of interior plus exterior 180. Yes or no? Are you remember?
Yes.
It is 60 degree. Okay, so its interior angle is 120 because of the sum of interior plus exterior is 180. Then it is 70 degree. So it means 110 degree. We have to find the value of x and here given the 30 degree. Okay. Now the angle sum of a pentagon is 540 degree is equal to 30 plus x plus 110 and plus 120. Now add this 3 and subtract from 540. 110 plus 120, 230.
220.
230
Yes, sir.
plus x 2x. So 540 is equal to 260 plus 2x. Now 260 we are subtracting. So we get 540 minus 260 means 280 is equal to 2x. And x is equal to 280 divided by 2,
140 degree.
140 degree. So in this question, we are finding the value of x as 140 degree. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now rest of the question, please see. Okay. Now in an angle sum property, we are doing angle sum of an exterior angle. And this is most important. Please listen and please remember this thing. In any polygon, the angle sum of a exterior angle is always 360 degree. Are you get it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What I am saying, please remember, please listen again. The angle sum of exterior angle of any Any polygon means triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, nonagon, decagon, any. And if you want to find the angle sum of an exterior angle, it is always 360 degree. Okay, so in this question, this two question, find x plus y plus z, and you can see x, y, z are exterior angle. So the sum of these three angle is 360 degree. And in the second question, find x plus y plus z plus w. So we don't use any method. We have to direct write down. Okay, here the angle sum of our exterior angle is 360 degree. So x plus y plus z plus w is equal to 360 degree. Are you get it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now now we have to solve some types of quadrilateral. And the first type is trapezium. Please remember, we are directly at the last page, we are given some point. Okay, so we have to remember this point. First of all, we are doing trapezium, then after we can use this table. Okay, now tell me what is the meaning of a trapezium? Boys,
Yes, sir.
just tell me, how can we define trapezium?
It has a pair of parallel sides.
One pair or two pair?
One pair.
Exactly. How can we define trapezium? Please listen. If in a quadrilateral only one pair of opposite sides are parallel, then it is known as trapezium. Again, I am repeating, please listen. In any quadrilateral, if you get only one pair of opposite sides are parallel, it is known as trapezium. Are you get it? You can see there are many types of
Yes, sir.
trapezium given here. In this, you can see the arrow line, it is the parallel line. Okay, now kite. Okay, now tell me what is the meaning of kite? Boys, any other student, please tell
Sir, I
me.
don't know.
Only Mohammad Abbas is giving me answer. Why are you not giving me answer? If you don't know, please read, because of we are doing revision, and whenever our chapter number 3 is going on, I tell you to write down this all the thing. Okay, so please, if you don't return this all the thing, please take from your friend and write down, because of in examination I am asking you some theoretical questions also. Okay, now kite. What is the meaning of kite? If in any quadrilateral the adjacent sides are equal, it is kite. And what is the meaning of adjacent? Adjacent means nearby me. For example, if you are looking for this ABCD kind, in which you can see AB and AD, these two sides are adjacent and these two sides are equal. And again, BC and DC, these two sides are also adjacent and also equal. So the quadrilateral ABCD, it is a kite. Are you get it? Are you get it? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it is trapezium and kite, and rest of the types of quadrilateral we are doing here. Please see. Your first type is parallelogram. Okay, so what is the properties of parallelogram? Opposite sides are equal, opposite angles are equal, and diagonal bisect one another. Okay, please remember, I already explained you this all the properties. Now today we are going to revise, so please revise these properties all. What is the properties of parallelogram? Boys, tell me.
Opposite sides are equal, opposite angles are equal, diagonals bisect one another.
Very good. Okay, now rhombus. What is the meaning of rhombus? In a rhombus, it is a one type of parallelogram. Okay, but with four equal sides. Okay, so here we are writing that all the properties of parallelogram, diagonal are perpendicular to each other. What is the meaning? In a parallelogram, only diagonal bisect. Here, diagonal bisect perpendicular. It means they make 90-degree angle. Yes or no? Okay. Okay, in
Yes,
a
sir.
definition of rhombus, it is given that a parallelogram with sides of equal length. Okay, so please remember, all the rhombus are parallelogram. Please remember. Okay, now rectangle. In a rectangle, it is also one type of parallelogram because of opposite sides are equal, opposite angles are equal, and diagonal bisect each other. So all the properties of parallelogram, then each of the angles is a right angle. In a parallelogram, the opposite angles are equal, but here in a rectangle, all the angles are 90 degree. All the angles are right angle. And then one another property is the length of a diagonal, the size of a diagonals are equal. Okay? Now square. Square is also one type of parallelogram with four equal sides and four equal angles. Diagonal bisect each other at perpendicular, and also the length of diagonals are equal. Means square fulfill all the properties. Properties of parallelogram, properties of rhombus, properties of rectangle, properties of kite, properties of trapezium. Okay, so any square which are parallelogram, which is trapezium, which is kite, which is square, sorry, rectangle, and which is rhombus. Okay, boys, are you understanding this all the thing? And
Yes,
then
sir.
after in the last, what is the properties of kite? In a kite, the diagonal are perpendicular to one another. It is only perpendicular. Please listen me. It is only perpendicular. Then one of the diagonal bisect the other. Only one diagonal bisect. Okay, for example, I'm drawing this two triangle. Sorry, two diagonal. For example, BD diagonal and AC. So you can see these diagonal are perpendicular and the diagonal AC is not bisect. Bisect means two equal part. Here we not get two equal part, but in a diagonal BD, we are going, sorry, we get two equal part. So we are saying in the properties of a kite, what is the properties of kite? Please see here. One of diagonal bisect the other. Okay, and then in the figure, measure angle B is equal to measure angle T. You can see The end point of a diagonal who bisect here with these two angles are equal in measurement. But angle A and angle C, these two angles are not equal. Only angle B and angle D are equal because of it is the end point of a diagonal BD who bisect here. Okay, now please remember this all the properties of a quadrilateral and regular, irregular, exterior, interior, concave, convex, types of polygon, definition of diagonal, definition of a quadrilateral, angle sum properties, this is all the thing. Okay, and please do
Okay, sir.
revise of this chapter. In the next lecture, we are doing the revision of chapter number 12, ratio and law of exponent. Okay, boys. Now tell me if you have any query.
No, sir.
Boys,
No, sir.
okay, beta. Chalo, bye all of you.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.